Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use System.io for landing page. The first thing you want to do after creating your System.io account, which you can do for completely free, once you're on your dashboard, you're going to hover over websites from the top navigation bar. And you have two options. You can either choose to create a blog, or I would recommend that you select Sales Funnel. So we're going to select Sales Funnel. Then you're going to tap on Create in the top right hand corner. And you can give your funnel a name. So we'll just call it Test. After you have done that, you can choose what you would like to achieve with your landing page. Whether you like to build an audience, so you like to collect email addresses and build your email list, or you like to sell a product or service, or you just want to build a custom funnel from scratch, or you want to create a landing page for your webinar. There are numerous options that you can select from. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to build an audience. So I'll tap on Build an Audience, then we're going to tap on Save. And by the way, you can choose the currency at the bottom of the page. Then you're going to tap on your landing page name. After doing that, you can add the first page, which tends to be called Squeeze Page, or if you don't like the templates that you see at the moment for Squeeze Page, you could tap on Add Step. Then from there, you could type in, for example, landing page. And you could type in type right there. And you could scroll down and you could select sales page and you could see how it looks. And you'll be provided with a whole new set of templates that you can choose from. Now let's say for example's sake, I want to use one of these templates. And I'm going to be using this one. So I'll tap on select. After tapping on select, you can tap on edit page. Once you have tapped on edit page, from here you can edit how the page looks. So you can start by tapping on the text that is currently there. And you can type in whatever text you want. You can also change the font size and style from the left hand column. Then we could tap on the image that is currently there. And if you would like to change the image, you can do that by double tapping on the image. You can go over to the top left hand corner, then tap on the upload icon, and from there you could tap on select files and you could upload an image. It's that easy to replace an image on System.io. And you can continue editing each section by selecting it. You can also tap on the button and you could choose the button action by tapping on action in the top left hand corner. So whether you like to show a pop-up, or you like to show a submit form, or you like them to download a file, for example an ebook, you can do that, or you can redirect them to the next step. So let's say for example the next step will be them downloading an ebook. You could do that. You have numerous options that you can choose from right here. Then by scrolling down, you can continue editing the pages, and you can remove a section if you want by tapping on the trash can to remove it. So you can remove this entire section. And by the way, if you would like to add a section, you can do that. You can go over to the left hand column and you can see different elements that you can quickly add. Whether you would like to add a survey, a countdown, anything at all, an FAQ section, you can do that by selecting FAQ. You can also tap on blocks from the top. So if we were to tap on blocks, you can see the different block options. Whether you like to add features, opt-in forms, or you like to add team presentations or so on, you can select it from right there. It's as easy as that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save Changes in the top right hand column. Then tap on Exit in the top right hand column. And if you would like to add a different page, you can do that. So if you like to add a second page that you can redirect them to, you could do that by tapping on Add Step. You could add a different step and you have the different page types that you can choose from. Now, to share this, you can simply tap right here on the link and you can copy it, and from there you could share it, or you can paste it in your tab and you can see how it looks. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to create a landing page using System.io. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.